I guess it opens up possibilities too. Like, I mean, Vegas for the weekend, but just some people get in a situation where they're talking with their wife and saying like, where should we get dinner? Is like New York a possibility?
Those are pop-up flights, we call them. Charters, we call them pop-up charters.
Oh,
like you got the person who says, I want to go tonight. Well, that person's going to pay through the nose for that flight. Because at the last minute to get that flight, it's going to be expensive. But for an owner, most of them are very deliberate about when they're going and where they're going. I mean, you hear about the celebrities who are impulsive. They have other problems.
Fair enough.
I mean, that's just the way they're going to behave no matter what. Could be with an airplane. It could be with something else. But generally speaking, I don't see that kind of impulsiveness.